Yeah. Look how beautiful that is. God damn. That's fucking cool. I know, look at that.
The sun is high. We're away from the fires. Surfers on shore.
Look at that. Damn, they just jumped right into the ocean.
I want to try the rocks. Look at that. This.
Imagine if we would have missed this. That's why I looked around. I'm like, you're like, this is what it. I'm like, hold on. Hold up. Look at the pier coming up. Look at the pier. Get the pier coming up. I know.
What do you think of the train ride, sir? Excuse me, sir.
It's pretty cool, ma'am.
I want to get our conductor man. Where is he? He's so serious. Be off in the next 30 minutes. Ooh, Fisherman's Restaurant.
Here we go.
Bar.
Fisherman's Wharf. Been there with my mom. And Harley.
Very nice. Oh, look at that one. Look right there. Not this one. Under that hut.
It's open right now.
I didn't bring my bathing suit, did you? Shit, I didn't bring my fucking bathing suit. Look, these waves are tolerable. They won't beat me up. These are normal waves. I could have swam in this water right now.
You won't get tossed up like you did last time?
No, that shit was killing me. It was hitting me hard. It's just like, this is gonna make me naked.
This shit's badass.
What is that? What is happening there?
I don't know. They grabbed the cat tails things.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, that was cool.
I didn't even bring the ring. For myself.
I just brought my cameras.
Make it work. We got this.
We don't need clothes to go in the water.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so my friend Kat, when I hang out with her this weekend, they know of this.
The nudist beach, right?
No, this isn't San Diego.
What? What do they know?
So like, yes, okay, it is that too. But it's private. So we have to get on their boat. They have a private boat that we get on, and it takes us to this islandish beach in San Diego, she said.
Look at that girl surfing.
Where?
Right there, look at it. That was cool. She fell though. She didn't fall, she just,
she she got the stuff.
she dipped down. Alright, so you're saying?
Yeah, so she says, if you want, she said that, we just tell our cousins and we all just go on this boat and it takes us to this private little island that they know that's in San Diego. Yes, it's a nudist beach. Like, it's, it's only for adults, 21 years. She said it's fun and it's secluded and it's underground because they have drinks, music.
Oh, really?
It's like a private little beach party.
How much?
I just know her, so that's all I
Okay.
know. The fact that I know her.
Alright. No, yeah, that's fucking tight as fuck.
She says, no, you don't have to be nude, but, don't be alarmed.
Yeah, like we talked about earlier, I'd probably just wear some fucking something cool.
I was like, I'll just bring a nude outfit. Skin color.
I'll make you a see-through. Yeah, I'll bring some.
I was like, we can make it work. We can do this. I want to fit into. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to watch out for my phone because it dies so fast, and we need to still buy tickets. Remind me.
Buy tickets.
Come on.
It's been beautiful. Yeah, now look at that. And what's so badass is that when I've been playing shit on my TV at my place now, it's like a 65 inch or something. It's a big. Yeah, it's a big. Yeah, I have a big ass screen, like big ass flat screen. No, it came with the room.
What? You didn't see that before. Yeah.
Why, did I forget to mention that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I work on now. No, but like, yeah, I've been watching my videos, and when I watch them on that TV, it's fucking no, like you see everything. Like no, when you looking at a fucking 4K recording, like what I'm taking right now, when you watch it on your phone, it's just you don't see all the detail. When you put it on a big fucking 65-inch screen, like
it comes to life.
No, like I'm looking, I'm like, oh shit, I'm like looking around and just seeing everything that I'm recording. So like, I just know like when I watch this on the TV, I'm gonna see all the waves. I'll see the birds flying in the air. You know, like you don't see that shit on your little ass screen. It's too little. But yeah, we have like nice TVs. We have like 65-inch Vizios, like whatever the fuck. And then I hook up my computers to it. Wow, that's badass.
They have big old like unicorn floaties that were like life cycle.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. Oh, look at this little area. What?
That's badass.
Thank you.